Good morning, good morning, good morning, good
morning, good morning, good morning.
Good morning, guys. Good morning, good morning. I am, take this mask off. I was out at Walmart this morning and I had on my mask. And the reason I went to Walmart this morning was because I was not too pleased with this locking tool. I mean, I can do what I need to do in locking with this tool. But interlocking my hair with this tool means that I have to always make sure that this curved side is next to my scalp. And so I became a bit frustrated. Now I have interlocked or retightened my hair from this point down, and I have it clipped off. And this is my next one that I am going to retighten. I have this row pinned forward, so I'll know where I am and what I'm working with. I have one pinned back so that I know what I have already retightened on that row. And I have this side, so hopefully today I will complete my front half. I will not be using this tool. I went out to Walmart. I was looking for yarn needles, possibly a plastic one. I couldn't find any plastic yarn needles. Then I purchased the metal yarn needles. Notice that some are missing. There's 2 in there. And I asked my husband to alter the needles and make them shorter. So this is what he did. Now this is the first one that he altered. And because it was becoming more of a diamond shape, it has like a little rough feeling right here. So I asked him to alter the other one and make it wider at the bottom of the hole. As a result, this is what I ended up with. Not only did he alter this hole for my lock to go inside of, but he also made the needle shorter. It's shorter and smooth. My husband is mechanically inclined, and therefore he could do this. And this is what I'm going to use now. I have, however, also ordered the nappy lock tool. So if that comes in before I'm finished, then I will compare this to this and the nappy lock tool. And we're going to see if my husband is better at making a retightening tool for locks than the professionals. That's what we're going to find out. But I am now going to lock at least, or tighten at least one of my locks while I'm on camera. So this is the one. And I'm going to talk myself through it because that's what I've been doing. I've been talking myself through tightening my hair. I am going to put this in the middle. I'm going toward 9, pull down to make sure that I don't have any space or any holes. And then I'm going to pull it straight back. And I'm feeling to make sure and looking for that. After that, I am going to go in the center, pull down, go up toward 12, and pull straight up. And I'm feeling and looking to make sure that I did it correctly. Now I'm going to go toward, and I have notes, guys. I'm going to go toward the 3. And I'm putting my finger here to make sure I don't combine a lock or pick up any stray hairs. There it is. I pull down to make sure that I don't have any space. And then I pull straight forward. And I'm feeling to make sure it's smooth. And now I go down toward the 6. And I'm trying to make sure I get it. I feel like this is the center. I pull down. And then I pull my lock down. That's not enough. There it is. I still have a little bit of space in there, but I'm not pulling too tight, and I don't know if I can get a full rotation, so I'm going to leave it there, and I'm finished with that lock. And I am going to now place it with the lock that I did before and pin it back. And that's the process I've been using to interlock my hair. And so then I will finish this row. And then you'll see me another time. I just wanted to give you an update on how things were going with my retightening, my do-it-yourself retightening. I'm a sister. I love my locks. I love my family. I love my friends. I don't know if I love doing my hair myself, but I do know that I love God because He has been so wonderful to me. Happy Mother's Day if I don't see you again before then. Thank you for watching.